Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Snapchat camera not working in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being your application glitches. So the first thing you want to do is try to force close and reopen your application, which should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, it could also be your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. You can also try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick network refresh, which should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, it could also be your permission settings. So simply go ahead and head into your settings. Then you want to go to camera, and you can simply go ahead and look for permissions here, or if you don't find it here, the best way to find it is going to be in apps and then looking for the Snapchat application. And this is exactly where you want to go ahead and make sure that the permissions are allowed. Once you go ahead and do that, it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, then you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.